Question for you. What does every business need to have in order to be profitable? The answer, customers. No different in Nerium. We need customers here too to be profitable. So this talk today is about customer acquisition. I'm going to show you how at any level, whether you've been here for a few months or your brand spanking new, how to put some money in your pocket as well as a boatload of free product within the next 60 days. Okay, so let's start with some acronyms that you may or may not be familiar with. You've probably seen them in your back office, PQV and CCV, and give you an explanation of what they both mean. PQV is personal qualifying volume. CCV is customer commissionable volume. Volume is a number amount that is dedicated to each product. And we use volume instead of a dollar amount because of the currency differences as we go around the world. So in every country, a bottle of night cream is going to be 80 PQV. And in every country, it's going to be 79.2 CCV. PQV is qualifying volume. The qualifying volume means this number helps you to rank advance. The CCV, customer commissionable volume, means, well, you guessed it, commission, what we're going to get paid on. So CCV is the what we're paid on in a residual paycheck, and the PQV is for rank advancement purposes, okay? So now we've got this beautiful thing in Nerium called the 369. You may or may not be familiar with it, but if you're not, prepare to have your mind blown. We've got this, it's a really neat program that rewards you for acquiring more than 3, 6, or 9 customers. So these numbers here represent customer acquisition, okay? 8 and 9. And a beautiful thing happens once you hit 3, when you hit 6, and when you hit 9 customers in total. This is cumulative, okay? So customer acquisition bonus. CAB, you might often hear us refer to it as CAB. Okay, the CAB is a one-time customer acquisition bonus paid on the weekly checks the week after you acquire a customer. And when you get your first customer, your first CAB bonus is $17.60 in Canada. Your second one is $17.60 in Canada, and then your third one, you get your very first pay raise with Nerium. Your CAB goes up to $26.40. Pretty cool, huh? So your fourth customer, $26.40. Your fifth customer, $26.40. When you hit your sixth customer, you get your second pay raise, and that one goes up to $30.80. Your seventh customer, $30.80. Your eighth customer, $30.80. And your ninth customer, guess what? Another pay raise, $35.20. If you ever hear us referring to the term max the CAB, this is what we mean. Max your customer acquisition bonus, because your 10th, 11th, 12th, and 20th customer will all be paid at $35.20. So it's for rewarding you for getting better at the game. Okay? So in CAB bonuses, let's assume this all happened in your first month. So your CAB bonuses in your first month, and this is paid out on the weekly checks, if you add up all these numbers, it's going to come to $242 in cold, hard cash money. The residual, let's take a look at how the residual would work out. So in this case, CCV, $79.20 for a single bottle of night cream, which is what each of these customers enrolled as, with a single bottle of night cream. So the CCV, 79.2 times 9 comes to... CCV comes to 712.8. In our compensation plan, you have to have over 221 CCV in order to get paid. And you might need to watch this once or twice and refer to your compensation plan to understand this fully. But we get paid between 10 and 25% on a residual basis based on CCV accumulated in a month. So here in this example, we have 712.80. We need to subtract the 221, which is going to leave us with 491.8 in CCV. And in our compensation plan, if you have over 440 CCV in the calendar month, you get paid at the 15% level. So let's multiply this by 15%. So your total residual check based on the acquisition of these customers, this is going to be paid out in the following month, is going to be $73.77. So your residual is $73.77. The next thing that's going to happen is you're going to qualify for 3-year free. Okay, 3-year free works once you have your third customer. So once you have 3 customers that order in a calendar month, you're going to get your bottle of night cream for free. It's your personal product you'll get for free. But if you get 9 customers, you're going to max that out too. So maxing your 3-year free credits in Canada, we can earn up to $276 per month in 3-year free credits. 3-year free. In this case, 9 customers ordering a single bottle of night cream is maxing the customer or the 3-year free credits at $276. The next thing that's going to happen is the NGB is going to kick in. Nerium Gives Back. I love this program because Nerium rewards you for performing money-making activities such as enrolling new customers. So in this case, you've enrolled 9 new customers. That's 9 NGB, which means 9 free bottles of night cream coming your way 45 days later. How it works is after their second order goes through, so these customers all ordered in the month of October, their second order will go through in the month of November. 15 days after their second order goes through, you start getting these free bottles in the mail. So in this case, you're getting 9, and 9 bottles of night cream at $92 a pop is $828 in NGB, free bottles of night cream. So when we take a look at what your first month looks like in terms of cash money earned in this calendar month, cash money, you're looking at $315.77 in cash, and you're looking at $1,104 in free product. Not bad for your first month in business, isn't it? Okay, so now I want to take you through another scenario as if, let's assume that this momentum continued into your second month and you once again went out and acquired another 9 customers in your second month, and what that would look like in terms of cash money, free product, and a residual check. Okay, so the first thing to note is that you've maxed your cab in month 1. You remember that was $35.20 for all customers acquired after your 9th customer? So each of these customers are getting paid at a higher rate, right? 9 and above, you're getting paid $35.20 every single time that happens. So in this example, at $35.20 with 9 new customers in your second calendar month, your CAB, your customer acquisition bonus, goes up to $316.80. And again, this is paid on the weekly check. So you have increased your payout for doing the exact same work as you did in the first month. But this month it's a little bit easier and a little bit more fun. So let's look at your residual in the second month. Okay, so CCV $79.20, you got 9 customers in your second month, but you also had 9 customers from last month who are all ordering again this month. So it's that same $712.80 number times 2. So your CCV in month 2 is $1425.6. So, and then again, we have to subtract the 221, leaving you with $1204.60. And at this level, because you have over 1,100 in CCV, you're maxing out your residual on this as well. So instead of 15%, you're getting 25% on this, on the residual portion, for a total residual portion of this check of $301.15. So your residual in month 2 is going to work out to $301.15. You've maxed out your 3-year free credits again, because this is the maximum you can earn in free product in the 3-year free program, and another 9 customers equals another 9 NGB bottles, so another $828 in free product. So when we look at your month 2, your total cash in month 2 is $617.95. Your total free product, once again, is $1,104. Not bad. So when we look at what this equals over 60 days, you would be putting an extra $933.72 into your pocket in cash money and $2,208 in free product, which, and this is key, this free product, because how did you get these customers? Well, probably by sampling the product, right? And now you've got 18 free bottles of NGB bottles that you can go out and do the exact same thing month after month after month. And you can do the math. As these numbers increase, this number increases. Right? If these numbers increase in a month, well, this number increases. And you can just keep on earning more and more and more money. So now let's talk about how this could help you to build your business in terms of brand partner acquisition. Well, if you've been watching the other videos, you know by now that our team average is about 30% of people that try the product will buy it. So let's just say it's, 1 out of every 3. So if you let 3 people try it, you borrow 3 people's faces, there's a good chance one of them is going to buy it. So if you have enrolled 18 customers in 60 days, there's a really good probable chance that you have borrowed 60 faces, okay, in 60 days. So if you have borrowed 60 faces in 60 days and you've acquired 18 customers, there is a really probable chance that of those 18 customers and 60 faces borrowed, that probably anywhere in between 3 and 6 people out of all of those 60 customers and people who maybe just jumped right on board as brand partners will become brand partners as well. So then you can look at the brand partner acquisition bonuses, which are much higher than these, and add that to the mix. So let's say in your first month, you acquired your 9 customers, and that tells me again you have probably sampled about 30 people, and probably out of those 30, there's going to be about 2, maybe even 3 of them that want to join the business. So you can add another $300 to $400 on top of these numbers here, plus another 3 to 4 bottles in NGB. And in your second month, maybe another 2 or 3 people join you in business. Well, it's another between $300 and $400 and more NGB bottles. And now what you have is a team that's starting to grow. And this team that's starting to grow is going to go out and do this, right? They're going to go out, they're going to get their 3-year free, they're going to max their cab, they're going to max their credits, and through this process, they're going to find brand partners, which is going to start to grow your team, because that is when you have true leverage, when it's not just you going out to find these 9 customers in a calendar month. It's you plus your team that are all doing the same activities, which is going to send your PQV and your GQV through the roof and help you to rank advance, help you to hold the ranks, and help you to build a really strong, really stable business, a really stable book of business that could pay you for the rest of your life. Any questions on this, guys? Please don't be shy. Just give us a call and we'll walk you through it.